What? The world, it's not a plan. Hear me, no, man? Hey, a franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general, you know when I come to represent, you know a full effect thing. You know it go already, you know. When me aim up, load up, crank up, and sound the big thing, them and drop necessary equipment, you know a loud explosion, boy. What? Hear me, no, man? I don't like we know Gaza Nation. I don't like the thing now. For she said the boss in a prison and collect best rapper, best DJ for the year, and best song for the year, as far as me I hear, I wanna like it now. So when boy I talk about the boss I push out bass song and them thing there, you see the people them acknowledge your work rate, right? You know what I mean? And they look at YV award where them hype up them look at either self-bout and not talk about the man have a debut. The artists have a debut for can perform him song. And some man where them give the award and people collect it for them never did it for perform nothing. And them flop them own award by fight against the general thing. You don't know anything at all fight against the general thing and flop it get flop. When you can play with dancehall fear, think you see nothing yet. Wait till the release of the general and wait till the big bad album touch road. And I love how the general put the thing in a perspective right now. Because you see any youth who are push out and the youth them will get highlight right now out the road. It's not about hype thing and about highlight. Them have to drop some real good song because the general step up the tempo a notch. You know see it? Some song where the youth them a drop some real nice song, man. I feel go for some dig out some hard nice song. You see me? The more time man, I don't know about no aggressiveness, because if you notice all Quadadan and them youth there, are some nice song the youth them a drop. You see me I deal with? And I love all the youth the name Chronicler. When him does a push out, is a man where that push out be a hardcore gun lyrics and him a show him versatility now. From him drop on the big track with the world boss, I see same thing turn up a notch. You see what I deal with? Likewise, squash, cause you know it go. So right now, you know, you hear a lot of people are complain about mackerel, so you can tell her if you go link the world boss, you hear me? When everybody turn them back on her at Jamaica, him not go do that, him go feel her crying or pain. You see me? Is a man who makes you start an intro him tune or even put her in a one time video them. So mackerel, you want bust out big, just go link the world boss, you hear me? Him response to all of the ghetto youth, them, you hear that? If you link the world boss, him not go violate you, I tell you that. Him go shot your thing. Him go make it turn your thing in a make your thing gone first class. And a lollipop thing. You hear that? A one man that when I go turn them back on you. A real thing I tell you now. So right about now we love all the things said, because right now you can see so we learn the argument change. You know what I mean? The reggae music business in the whole Caribbean, you know what I mean? You can see it from the capacity of crowd what bring out of the show them. So right about now, the dancehall fans them can't wait till the world boss come for do the same for dancehall, because right now the man turn it up. But just because him not present right now, if you go the stage show them for the people them see. But if for the music you talk about, you can't say when you not get music. You see when you get music in abundance, you get more than one even bargain for. You see me, because the amount of song the world boss dropped last month alone. Some man not drop so much song for the whole year. Never. You hear that? So if you know, say I don't know a lollipop thing, and I love how the things turn up right now. So you can imagine this summer, it burn up and gun up. You see what I deal with? So Gaza Nation, everything look good and it look real nice right about now. You see what I say? Yeah, man, and the video where the world bar shot and all them things down, you see the love where the people them a get all over the internet. You see what I deal with? The video come like a real movie. It's like a movie. It's like a ladies movie, my brethren. You hear that? So right about now, I say, big up the world boss Freedom is a must. It coming shortly because them can't hide from it, because the world smell conspiracy and it has stink up the whole place. And all of them government personnel, included the police, them were involved in a world boss case. Them know them are fraud. You see what I deal with, and that's why so much shit and dirt are come out on them all over. So all them want hold it in and hold it. People go rebel, and I tell you, not go lose on a seat or on a position. You see me? People are go scrap on a power, and it's not worry enough to run the country on a justice system. You see what I deal with no hypocritical behavior and things are rule and anything we want to say. I so it must go. Nobody above the law. Nobody above the law. You hear that? I don't know, lollipop thing. So freedom is a must. And you don't know the general, the 10 star want to represent. And you know when them things go on, I have to come highlight it. You see what I deal with? I say the general in a prison go almost 8 years now. You see what I deal with? And all the conspiracy where them cry. And all where them want chat in the DJ world all over the internet and all passa and them shit there. Them glad all the people them for the award ceremony. I acknowledge, you see me, acknowledge the world boss thing and know so well then a first class thing and not a really lollipop thing. So this thing is not about chatting, you see what I deal with? The whole material evidence there for sure. The work put in and not a lollipop thing. When you know the general, the 10 star wanna represent and Gaza nation own a like me now. What? 10 star way. Gaza way. Ain't no other way. Oh.